Hi children, welcome to English session. Children, in the previous session, we learned the words yes and no. Now, I am going to show some pictures for you. See here, children, what are these? Are these lines? Observe carefully. Are these lines? Yes, yes, yes. These are lines. Yes, these are lines only. So, we have to say S. S. These are lines. Next picture. Children, what are these? Are these hands? Observe carefully. Are these hands? No. No, these are not hands. These are balls. No, these are balls. Next picture. Observe. Are these boys? S. S. These are boys. S. These are boys. Observe the picture carefully. Say yes or no. Next picture. Are these kites? Are these kites? No. No. These are coins. These are coins. Next picture. Are these oranges? Observe. Are these orange fruits? No. These are birds. No. These are birds. So children, today we learn yes or no. So children, read the spellings. Observe the picture. If it is correct, we can say yes. Yes, these are lines. If it is not correct, we use no. No, these are balls. No, these are coins. Okay children? Children, now reading of question and answers with spellings. Read the spellings along with me and observe the pictures. Okay? First one, A-R-E or T-H-E-A-C, these, L-I-O-N-S, lines. Or these lines. Children, observe the picture. Are these lines? S. 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 These are lines. Answer Y-E-S-S. Spelling of S. Y-E-S-S. T-H-E-A-C. These. A-R-E or L-I-O-N-S. Lines. S. These are lines. Next question. A-R-E or T-H-E-A-C. These. H-E-N-S. Hens. Or these hens. Children, observe the picture. Are these hens? No. No. These are balls. Spelling. Spelling of no. N-O. No. N-O. No. T-H-E-A-C. These. A-R-E or B-A-L-L-S. Balls. Here more balls. So, you can say balls. No. These are balls. Next question. A-R-E or T-H-E-A-C. These. B-O-Y-S. Boys. Are these boys? Children, observe the picture. Are these boys? S. These are boys. Spelling. Y-E-S-S. T-H-E-A-C. These. A-R-E or B-O-Y-S. Boys. S. These are boys. Next question. Children, you also read along with me. Okay? A-R-E or T-H-E-A-C. These. K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Or these kites. Children, are these kites? No. These are coins. 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee coins. These are not kites. These are coins. So answer and word no. T-H-E-A-C. These. A-R-E or C-O-I-N-S. Coins. No. These are coins. Next. A-R-E or T-H-E-A-C. These. O-R-A-N-G-E-S. Oranges. Are these oranges? Children, observe the picture. Are these oranges? No. These are birds. No. These are birds. Answer N-O. No. T-H-E-A-C. These. A-R-E or B-I or D-S. Birds. No. These are birds. Children, read the spellings. We will meet in the next session.